Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter 10, Transformation of Sentences 1. The meaning of transformation is to change the form of the sentence rather than changing the meaning. That means we are not going to change the sentence, or we are not going to change the meaning of the sentence, but we are going to change the form of the sentence by adding some words or excluding some words. So we'll see first one, substitution of one part of speech for another. That means one word which is a verb, that verb can be transformed or changed or be substitution for noun. That is called the substitution of one part of speech for another. Okay, so let's begin with, I cannot consent to your plan. Here consent is a verb because it occurs very close to the auxiliary modal verb or helping verb, and consent is the main verb. It means he says that I cannot consent to your plan. Consent means giving permission. In other words, we can say I cannot give you permission to your plan. And instead of using verb in this sentence, we are going to use noun in the same sentence. That means we are going to change the form of the sentence. I cannot give my consent to your plan. Again, the meaning remains the same. Here, I cannot give my permission to your plan. Okay, see the sentence carefully. The meaning of the sentence is not changed, but form only changed. Verb has become the noun here. Another word we are going to see of the same, the act made the slaves free. Here free is playing the role as an adjective, and suppose we are going to use noun instead of adjective. So how can we use? So the act gave permission, the act gave freedom to the slaves. The meaning of the sentence is not changed. So hope you have understood this one. Next we'll see second point, modes of expressing a condition. Okay, that means the different way of expressing a condition we are going to follow. First one is expressing a condition by the use of the conjunction if or unless. Okay, condition means we have some certain times conditions. If you do this, you will get that one. Unless you go there, you won't get this product, like this. Okay, so in the same manner we are going to, if you tell the truth, you will not be punished. So like these sentences have been coming into the examination where we are asked to begin with, okay, or join the sentence. Okay, like these sentences we have been getting in the examination. So in the same meaning we are going to say in a different form, unless you tell the truth, you will be punished. In the second clause here, you will be punished is a positive, because unless is contains the negativity already. Unless you tell the truth, you will be punished. Okay, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਨੁਵਾਦ ਕਰੀਏ ਤੇ ਅਗਰ ਤੂੰ ਸੱਚਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲੇਗਾ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਨਿਸ਼ਮੈਂਟ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ. Okay, but in the first sentence we have seen if you tell the truth, if you, Okay, this is not a negative but positive. The second clause will be coming as a negative clause. You will not be punished. Okay, if you tell the truth, okay, you will pass the judgment. Okay, or punishment will not be given to you. In the same manner, it is given here. You will be happy if you work hard. You will not be happy unless you work hard. See, form of the sentences are used only changed by next one by the conjunctions if understood. Okay, that means expressing a condition by the conjunction if understood. What does mean by that? Means we have were, had, should, and were, had, should are considered or can be understood if. Okay, condition clause. We have separate chapter in 10th class, conditional clause. So if is a conditional clause and it is included in were, had, should. If it comes as a beginning and the condition is not fulfilled, that is called conjunction if or conditional clause if. And understood in the sense in the word of were, had, and should. See, were I a powerful man, I would have helped him. So here the condition cannot be fulfilled. This is not the real condition but the imagination. Okay, past true imagination. Were I a powerful man? Still he is not and he cannot be. That's why he put were. I would have helped him. So then I could help him. So that is the condition here. Had he told me the truth, अगर already ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੱਚਾਈ ਦੱਸੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ, then what happened? Would not have been any confusion. ਤਦ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ confusion ਨਾ ਹੋਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ. ठीक है ना? In the past, that condition cannot be fulfilled now because already that time has passed. So that is called if can be understood. Okay, in the words had, should. Should he meet me, he would recognize me. In the same manner we can understood as we have learned the first sentences. By the use of the conjunctional phrase in case, okay, as we say in case, according to these are conditional phrases and this is conditional phrase in case. By the use of preposition but followed by a phrase as object, but for my help. Here this word means if he had not got my help or unless he get my help, he would not have succeeded. So next one is third way of expressing a concession or contrast. Contrast means opposite to each other by the conjunction as. Poor as he is honest. So here is a contrast. Though he is a poor but he is honest. Okay, that's the meaning of this sentence. Clever as he is, she is not proud. Though she is a clever but she is not proud of her cleverness. So that's the meaning. By the conjunction though or although. As he is honest, though he is a poor, as I already told you. And you can follow these examples, you can read and same way you can study them. By the preposition notwithstanding followed by a noun clause as. Notwithstanding that, okay, or we can say it although that the worker get bonus, they are discounted. So in the same sentence we are having these conditions if, okay, in different words. So these are called transformation of the sentences.